If you get chance to pick 3 Bangladeshi players,
I would straight up pick Marufa, one of your spinners. I think Rabea Khan, maybe the captain. There've been so much of improvement in the Bangladesh team since the last One Day World Cup. Bangladesh needs to get that experience in.
আমার সাথে এই মুহূর্তে আছেন মিতালি রাজ, যিনি নারী ক্রিকেটের সর্বোচ্চ রান সংগ্রাহক, যাকে এখনো পর্যন্ত কেউ এই জায়গাটাতে বেট করতে পারেনি। প্রায় 2 যুগের লম্বা ক্যারিয়ার এবং তারপর এখন কমেন্ট্রি এবং অ্যানালিস্ট হিসেবে কাজ করছেন ইন্ডিয়ান এই লেজেন্ড মিতালি রাজ। তার সঙ্গে আমরা কথা বলবো। হ্যালো মিতালি, হাউ আর ইউ?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, so the tournament, the World Cup is almost over. How did you find this tournament so far?
Well, it was quite exciting because there were a lot of matches which were very close. For India, of course, like at one point, it seemed like, whether they'll qualify for the semis or not. And then there were some of these low-ranked teams gave a good fight.
সব মশার বিরুদ্ধে সুরক্ষা দিতে এলো বসুন্ধরা এক্সট্রিম অ্যারোসল, মশার বিরুদ্ধে এক্সট্রিম সুরক্ষা।
To the big high-ranked teams, and there have been some very potential players who've done really well throughout. So overall, I think it was a really good tournament so far.
How did you find the difference back in the other tournaments and in its tournament? What's the difference did you see?
Well, see, I think from the last One Day World Cup edition to now, the gap between the big teams and the lower ranked teams are narrowing, and I think it is only good for the game, because the more competitive matches it is, the lot of people will watch, viewers will increase, people will turn up to the stadiums with the children so that they can have a very good game of cricket to see.
Okay. So you have followed Bangladesh cricket team throughout the tournament. How did you find their performance?
Well, I think as there were certain times where they really challenged some of these big sides, especially Marufa Akhtar with her new ball. I mean, the sort of swing that she got. I watched her a couple of games in Colombo, and I thought that she has that in her to become one of the best fast bowlers in the coming years for for Bangladesh, and a couple of the spinners as well. And the captain Jyoti was very inspiring behind the wicket, because she constantly was advising and telling the players to sort of work on their plan, work on the fielding, and the way Bangladesh also fought. Of course, that was a match to win against Sri Lanka here in the Y Patil Stadium. I'm sure they would be very disappointed with that result, but there've been so much of improvement in the Bangladesh team since the last One Day World Cup I've seen.
You have said the improvement, you have said the positivity. What lackings did you find in the team of Bangladesh, and what are the gaps?
Well, I can only say that they need to get more exposure of playing against good sides. Yes, you play Asia Cup where we get to see Bangladesh. They play the bilateral series, which is the points for the next edition of the World Cup. It's the World Cup cycle. But other than that, they need to get that exposure, maybe play more games, or get into those leagues where, like say WBBL or WPL or hundreds. The more you interact with good players, the better you will become playing in that in that atmosphere. So I think that is something maybe the board also can look into, how they can give that sort of an exposure to these girls.
So you have played in the that game that Bangladesh beat India to win Asia Cup. So how do you find the difference that Bangladesh and now Bangladesh?
Well, yes, I was doing commentary, and I think T20 is very different format to One Days, because One Days where you require temperament, you require skill, and for a little longer period. T20 is a short version, so even the lower ranked team has a chance to beat the top teams. Whereas in One Days, the format itself gives you more time to come back into the game. So there, I think where Bangladesh needs to get that experience in the batting lineup. They have very good spinners, and I think a lot more could be worked on their batting. That probably will help them.
You have said about WPL. Do you think the WPL is the most important thing to improve India's cricket, Indians women's cricket?
Well, WPL definitely played a very significant role in unearthing a lot of players. Some of them have gone on to represent India. After they have turned 30, that was like a big revelation because when you're in your 20s is what you aim to play for your national side, and when you think that you didn't get opportunity, you tend to sort of let go and retire. But there are a lot of players through WPL found a way to get into the Indian team, and it also was a platform for under 19 girls, like the future of the Indian team, where we've got to see a couple of them with so much of potential and talent again playing along with the world's best. Because it's a franchise, you have some players from Australia, England, New Zealand, and they're the best in their side. And then when you train with them, you see their preparation, how they prepare, physical fitness, their skill, what sort of shots before the big game that they work on. These are the things youngsters learn quickly when they are in and around the big players. So I think franchise league definitely helps.
If you get chance to pick 3 Bangladeshi players for WPL, who it would be?
I would straight up pick Marufa because I think I've seen her in the T20 format in South Africa. She was very young. That itself shown a lot of energy when she was coming into bowl, and of course now she is matured a little over the years, but she can really work on her skill if she's able to sort of play in these quality leagues. Maybe one of your spinners, I think Rabea Khan, she's an all-rounder actually, and maybe the captain, because it also helps in understanding how the game progresses in the one-day format if you're around players who've led the side, so that also helps. Yeah.
Any message for the youngsters who want to be a cricketer, especially in Asia? What areas you want to see upgrading?
Well, my message for the youngsters is cricket is definitely a growing game. You can start, and it's pretty much a professional sport now, at least in India, where young players, when they come into the state sides, they have the franchise league as well. Yes, sometimes it can be tough if you're coming from a very humble background, but work on your skill, because opportunities, this game does give opportunities, and if you can make the best of those, you clearly will be set to sort of have your graph up.
You have a lot of fans in Bangladesh. Any message for them?
Well, I think you should continue to support your team. They might be young and not very experienced, but they've done very well in this tournament, in this World Cup, especially giving some tough moments for big teams and big players. Very potential players you have. It's only a matter of some exposure and experience, and this team really can shape well.
Thank you Mithali, thank you so much. So Mithali Raj ছিলেন আমাদের সাথে, তিনি বলছিলেন বাংলাদেশের মেয়েদেরকে আরও এক্সপোজার দরকার, আরও বেশি বেশি সুযোগ দরকার, যাতে তারা বড় টিমের সাথে খেলতে পারে এবং এক্সপোজার পায় ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি লিগগুলোতে খেলার। এবং তিনি কিন্তু তার 3টা নাম পিক করেছেন বাংলাদেশের থেকে, মারুফা, রাবেয়া এবং ক্যাপ্টেন জ্যোতি। যদি তিনি সুযোগ পান তাহলে WPL-এ তিনি এই 3 জনকে বাংলাদেশ থেকে দেখতে চান। সো ডিওয়াই পেটেল স্টেডিয়াম থেকে জানাচ্ছিলাম এই আপডেট। মিতালি রাজের সাথে কথা হচ্ছিল। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। জুহাইর আমো, টি স্পোর্টস।
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.